Hello, wonderful artists. Today we're going to be photoshopping Mrs. Mascal, so you get to use your creativity and have some fun with this. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go onto Canvas and we're going to find this photoshopping Mrs. Mascal. So I'm going to grab the Miss Mascal, I'm going to tap on her once or twice. Oh, come on. So then we're going to click that share button and we're going to save the image. So once I've saved the image, I'm going to open my sketchbook. Here's an example of one of the Photoshops that I did. I was having a lot of fun. Obviously, you can see some things I like red pandas. So I'm going to go ahead and start a new sketch here. And I'm going to go ahead and two-finger pinch, the sides so that I can see all four edges. I really like to be able to see my whole paper. So first thing I want to do before I put Miss Mascal down is I want to start thinking about a background. So I'm just going to use this background of the Louvre again, and here's Mona Lisa. I'm going to size it up nice and big so I can see it looks like the whole picture. Again, you can choose whatever kind of background you want as long as we're keeping it PG for school, right? So now I've got my background. I'm going to go on to these photos and I'm going to find my photo of Mrs. Mascal and put her wherever I want her to go. Remember, I can two-finger pinch, change the size. It's pretty difficult to move and change once you've hit that blue done button. So make sure you kind of have it where you want it to go and whatever right now. So I'm going to show you how to remove this background, but the other way you can do it is you can also just grab an eraser tool. I'm going to size it up really big and erase. Remember, I can erase this top part and still see the background of my image. So I could also, if this trick doesn't work for you, come back in and physically erase the background. But I'm going to show you a trick really quickly. So I'm going to, once I get a little closer, remember I can just two-finger pinch and get a little closer to those legs. I made my leg really tiny. So I'm going to go in and I can, again, I'm going to kind of skip through this step for you, but this is a quick, easy way that you can erase the background and make it look like that person's standing there. So now I'm going to show you, I'm going to add some more details to it. So I'm going to go onto the internet and go into Safari, find a red panda. Let me go over here. I could search red panda. I've actually got this picture saved, but I'm going to go ahead and remember we're going to push and hold till you get that pop. I'm going to say add to photos. So when I upload this onto my sketchbook, you can see it'll bring up that white background like I just had in mine. But I don't really want that background. So a trick I can do instead is go into this web page. I'm going to type in remove background into Google. Once I type in remove background, I'm going to look for this remove.bg. As you can see, there's other ones that you can use, and maybe you want to play around with those. This is the one that I've just kind of been using when I'm working. So I'm going to upload the image. I'm going to press that blue button. I've already done this, but again, if I type the blue button, it'll ask me, oops, no, I don't want to take a photo. Hold on, I made a boo-boo. So I want to go back. I don't want to do cancel. So I'm going to go back, and if I do upload a photo, goodness gracious, it'll say here, there it is, photo library. So I would pick a photo to upload. I'll pick that red panda again. It'll say use. So after I say use, it'll remove the background and give me this checkerboard. You don't want to hit download. I was having a lot of trouble with that. So what I did instead was click on the image and then I'm going to click on view. Now I can I can hold until it pops, add to photos. So now when I go on to sketchbook, let's take that one and undo. We're going to put in this new picture that I just did. And voila, I've got this wonderful red panda who is able to walk. And look, he's got no background. I didn't have to do any of that other business. So you could even do that with the Miss Mascal photo. So then I'm going to add all those other features and details. Remember, you can use drawing and you can play with layers. So I can work on, let's say I want to add something else. Let's add this tree in here. And I've got this tree and I want to put it really close to the panda, but if I don't, I want the panda to be in front and myself in front. So I'm going to show you how to bring those layers up front. So I'm going to say done. Even though everything's hidden, I'm going to take this tree, I'm going to drag it. If I drag it just under the red panda, you can see the red panda can be on top, but I'm still behind. So if I take this tree and I put myself on top, now I've got the tree that's behind myself and the red panda. Have so much fun with this. It's going to be an awesome project. I'm really excited to see how creative you can be. When you're finished, we're going to hit those 3 dots and 3 lines at the top. We are going to say share. And we're going to say save image and upload it onto that assignment on Canvas. I cannot wait to see all the places you take my mini Mrs. Mascal. Have fun, artist. See you later. Bye-bye.